Today we are looking at the preserve at Bannon Lakes in St. Johns County off of World Golf Village. This is a master plan community with tons of activities, 6-acre island of amenities, 4,000 square foot clubhouse with covered porch, a zero entry resort style pool, playgrounds throughout the property, dog parks, fitness centers, tennis courts, pickleball, and a 2-mile jogging trail. So there are a lot of activities, like I said, throughout this community that you can really enjoy. Now, this particular subdivision, the preserve, has 450 home sites throughout. They're currently in their phase 2 of building and will be building in phase 3 as well as of next year. St. Johns County being known for their top rated schools, the current zoned elementary and middle school are Mill Creek Academy K through 8 and Tocoi Creek High School. Now this particular community here has a HOA of $41 a month and a CDD fee of $2,758 for the year. Some stores such as Buc-ee's, if you've never been to Buc-ee's, just a few minutes away from the subdivision. This is a chain well known down in the south. It's also a gas station and known for their food. So highly recommend you checking out a Buc-ee's. They have a lot of traveling goods and souvenirs that you can also purchase. And a Costco. We have a Costco here, literally within minutes. We will also have a Bass Pro and a Home Depot coming soon. Today we are at the preserve at Bannon Lakes. Now this particular community has 450 home sites. We are currently at Pulte Homes and we are at the Mystic Grand floor plan. This is a great floor plan that can be modified to a bigger floor plan if you'd like. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, and you have this beautiful lanai as you come in. Now as you enter, you'll notice how open this floor plan is. You have 9-foot ceilings going up. And here you walk into your 3rd bedroom. And what I love about this floor plan is that everything is separated out. It's very private. All the bedrooms are far from each other, so you kind of have your private space here. And lots of light, natural sunlight coming into the bedrooms as well. Really big. I think these are 24 inches.
Yeah, 24 by 24.
Yeah, 24-inch tiles. Nice big tile work throughout. And you have the little coat closet here. Now, when you come in, you make a right, you're going to have your garage space here. I love the painted floors there. And then the large laundry room.
Washer and dryer.
So you get the washer and dryer. Now you can add in obviously the cabinetry. I really love this island here. I think it's going to be worth every penny in the design studio if you want to do this, because you get all the additional space. You can do your laundry here, so there's plenty of space for that. Now what I love about this particular floor plan is that you kind of have like a mini ensuite here. So you have your 2nd bedroom or 3rd bedroom. Closet is standard as well.
You got a sliding door.
But once again, you have a bathroom that goes that has access straight from the bedroom, which is great. And what I was trying, I have to close the door, but what I was trying to explain is this separated space makes it very private. So all of the bedrooms are private. Now in this particular floor plan, you're going to have the flight space. You can convert this into a fourth bedroom if you need to. So you have that additional space there. And of course, this area is very grand, nice and open, very spacious, bright and airy. And I really love it because you have lots of natural sunlight coming in, 2 sliding doors here, tray ceilings throughout, and of course, the beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops. I love how thoughtful Pulte is with putting cabinet doors outside of the island so you have extra storage space. As you can tell, you can put 3 to 4 bar stools in here. And of course, I always recommend all of my clients to add in a hood because that just looks more nice, and of course it's better for cooking purposes. And you have the built-in microwave here and a nice sized pantry, I would say. I absolutely am a sucker for light fixtures, and I think these are just as nice. They go so well with this space here. And then you have the master bedroom. Now you can of course always get a lot that's going to have a nice view such as this one with your pond there. So you're looking at something nice, you have a water view there. Once again, I love how tall these windows are. I like to point that out to people, and you know, you have these 9-foot ceilings, which makes the room a lot more bigger, and it feels a lot more larger in this space. And then the beautiful master bathroom here. Yeah, with the marble looking tile, they have a bench here a little bit, and then you have double sided and double sinks. So I love that. Lots of cabinets in here, and this particular space I just like to point out is, you know, you can put a shelf in, a mirror, which is a great idea because everyone wants to see their full size. And you have a linen closet and a nice size master closet here. We're gonna go now to the patio. Now this one is on a 50-foot lot. And once again, you can go ahead and get the floor plan with the view. We're looking at the preserve. So you can build these homes on 40, 50, and 60-foot lots. Obviously your first 40-foot lots, they're gonna be more basic, they're gonna be a little bit more narrow home and floor plans. Then you have the mid-size, which is the 50-foot lots.
Those are the trail site. And then of course you have the estates, which are gonna be on your 60-foot lots. So these particular homes here at the preserve at Bannon Lakes, they're going to be starting in 1,500 square feet and they're gonna go all the way to 4,000 square feet. So you can only imagine the different types of floor plans there are. I believe there are 16 floor plans she said you can pick from. So they're currently building out in their phase 2 and will be building next year at this time the phase. So the Mystic floor plan, this particular floor plan here is 2,150 square feet. You can add in an upstairs, which would make it 2,900 square feet. And the base price for this particular model is $525,000. So if you're looking to move to Bannon Lakes, we're happy to help you out, the preserve at Bannon Lakes, or anywhere in St. Johns County. We'll put our information down below and hope you enjoyed this video.